In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Binance app login error. So if you're trying to log into Binance application but you're not being able to do it, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But sometimes the problem might be because of the incorrect credentials. So make sure the password that you entered is correct. If you're confused about the password, you'll be able to reset it. For that, what you have to do is tap on this option, forget password, in the login interface. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts and you'll be able to reset your password. Go ahead and reset your password and enter the new password in the login interface. After you do that, your login problem should be solved. But if the problem is still not solved, there might be some problem in the application itself. In order to fix it, what you have to do is update it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Binance. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Binance and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Now wait for a while. After a while, the Binance application will be updated and your problem should be solved. Now open the Binance application and try logging into your account. You should be able to log in. But if you're still not being able to log in, it might be because of the cache. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Binance and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. After that, the cache of Binance application will be cleared. Now your problem should be solved. But if you're still not being able to log into your account, what you can do is simply uninstall the Binance app and install it again. After that, try logging into your account and your problem will be solved. So that is how you fix Binance app login error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.